So let's see DC characteristics of an op amp. So in that op amp, basically two main characteristics is there: DC characteristics and AC characteristics. In DC characteristics, there are four characteristics are there. First one is input bias current IB, input offset current IOS, input offset voltage VOS, thermal drift. Under AC characteristics, two main characteristics. First one is frequency response, second one is slew rate. Under frequency response, two more characteristics: frequency compensation and stability. Under frequency compensation, there are two characteristics. First one is external frequency compensation, second one is internal frequency compensation. Under external frequency compensation, two more characteristics are there. First one is dominant pole compensation, second one is pole zero compensation or lag compensation. Let's first see about DC characteristics. So in that, first characteristic is input bias current. So it is denoted as IB. So for an example, for an analysis, we are taking inverting amplifier for an analysis purpose with bias current. Here, for normally, IB value is the average of positive and negative terminal of the base current divided by 2. At the room temperature for an IC 741, for BJT, the IB value is normally 500 nanoampere, and for FET it is 50 picoampere. If the input is given as 0, then for an ideal case, output voltage should be 0, and output voltage here that is equal to IB minus into reference or feedback resistor value. The basic circuit is modified with the compensation resistor in the positive terminal. It is used for an analysis. This circuit is used for an analysis. Here is a node A. So this is an V1. The voltage which is across the compensation resistor, and the voltage across feedback resistor is V2. So for an analysis, V1 is R1 or compensation resistor into IB plus. By applying KVL, we are getting IB plus, that is equal to V1 divided by R compensation value. So by the way, we are getting I1 and I2 value. So after applying KCL at node A, we are getting IB minus, that is equal to R1 plus RF divided by R1 into RF into V1. By equality, the base current of two terminals are equal. So by the way, the compensation resistor value, that is equal to parallel combination of R1 and RF. And second characteristic is input offset current, IOS. Here also for an ideal case, VA equal to 0, then V not equal to 0. Modulus IOS, that is equal to IB plus minus IB minus. For BGT it is 200 nanoampere, for FET it is 10 picoampere, and the analysis can be done by using feedback network, T feedback network. Here this is the T feedback network, which is denoted in dotted line. By doing the analysis by using the T feedback network with a modified circuit with a compensation resistance circuit or in the basic circuit, by applying KCL at node A, we are getting the equation number 1, that is I2 value. So after that, V naught equal to I2 into RF minus IB plus into R compensation. It is equation number 2. By substituting equation number 1 and 2, we are getting compensation resistor by assuming the compensation resistor value as we saw earlier, that is the parallel combination of R1 parallel RF. We are getting the output voltage, that is equal to IB minus into RF minus IB plus into compensation resistor value into 1 plus RF divided by R1. So the After that, final output voltage that is equal to RF into IOS. By the way, the input offset current that is equal to V0 divided by RF. Next characteristics, input offset voltage VOS that is equal to VI minus V2. It is in modulus of Vi minus V2. So we can either use inverting amplifier or non-inverting amplifier. So this is an equivalent circuit for an inverting amplifier with Vi equal to 0. So by doing the analysis, we are getting V0 equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1 into VOS. So the total output current that is equal to, with the compensation resistor value, that is VOT, that is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1 into VOS plus RS into IOS. So next final one is thermal drift. So thermal drift, actually it is the change in offset for each degree Celsius in the changing temperature. The IB, VOS and VO2 all are dependent on the temperature. Generally IB drift is in nanoampere per degree Celsius. VOS drift it is in millivolt per degree Celsius.